Welcome to today's video where we take a look at some shocking crashes, idiots behind the wheel, and incredible moments of instant karma on the roads. Prepare yourself for some of these as it gets wild. This officer's great reaction time possibly saved his life. Luckily, no one was harmed. This truck driver was too distracted being on his phone and forgot to look ahead, which led to this. Reckless speeding driver doing burnouts in a residential road gets served with instant karma. Luckily, everything got caught on camera and he will definitely be dealt with.
Look, it's got a thing on the, oh! You're a dick! An absolute dick, mate! You got a video of him?
Yeah.
What the fuck, man?
That's
no,
the driver.
He's the driver there, and he's a dick. What do you mean what's happened? You're fried, mate. Stay here until, have you got, call the cops, bud. Call the cops. Was not an accident, you peanut. There's kids around, mate. You would have killed someone.
Yeah.
Car pushes another car out of its lane, which causes a car crash. The driver who aggressively and recklessly switched lanes then proceeded to drive off. Reckless driver loses a tire and gets into a high-speed chase with cops. Take a look at what happens next.
Speeds are 80, roughly present. Coming into the city hall. He's going against traffic, left lane. Pass the main floor, speeds at 45. Right, encouraging monitor. 15 has got heavy traffic both east and westbound on Grand River near Hilton. County cars update on your location. 65. Continuing through layouts in 65, Brighton City Store. Far right lane, like you can jump on the highway. Clear far right lane, where's he at now? Crash. Just crash.
After driving without both left tires, he loses control and causes a car crash, which leads to his arrest. Luckily, everyone left unharmed.
Everyone is secure. Good job. Yep.
Move these cars into this lane and get the left turn lane.
Okay. I'm gonna open up the Central Explorer working for the scene.
Driver tries to act tough after almost causing a car crash and then does this. Near miss after trying to run a red light, driver got really lucky.
He stopped right in front of the train. This dude's trying to get fucking plastered.
Idiot.
What? Oh my god, that's... Dude, what the fuck? I gotta look at this driver. I gotta look at this driver. Like, literally gonna get plastered. What? People, oh...
Everything that could be wrong is wrong with this video. From throwing the package, crashing forward, crashing backwards, and taking no accountability. Big idiot caught on camera with 2 near misses. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Scooby-Doo truck crashes into an ambulance.
You're kind of being insensitive, which is what you typically do. Oh my! Oh!
Trying to cut a corner goes wrong. Get ready to watch a 14 IQ move.